In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a project due date in Asana. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open up the specific Asana project that requires an updated timeline or a new completion date. Once you're in Asana, find the relevant project in your dashboard, or use the search feature if you have many projects. It's essential to navigate directly to the project that needs adjustments to avoid any confusion. After you've opened the project, take a look at the top of the screen. You will see the project title displayed prominently. Right next to this title, there's a small downward-facing caret icon. This little arrow is key to accessing more options related to your project. Go ahead and click on that icon. Once you click the downward caret, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll want to select the Edit Project Details option. This is what opens the configuration window where you can make changes to your project settings, including the due date. Now that you have the Project Details screen open, keep an eye out for the Due Date field. This is where you will begin the editing process. You can easily spot this field because it's specifically labeled and it usually stands out. Click inside the Date field to activate the calendar. As soon as you click that field, you'll see a calendar pop up. This is your moment to modify any existing scheduling information. If the previous due date is incorrect or outdated, you can easily change it. Start by choosing the correct start date if you also need to adjust when the project kicks off. This ensures that your team knows exactly when to begin. Once you have set the start date, it's time to pick a new end date. Remember, this new end date is crucial as it establishes the new deadline for your team to follow. Take your time to double-check both the start and end dates you've chosen. It's important to ensure these dates align with your overall project goals and deadlines. Once you're satisfied with the new dates, don't forget to confirm that they are saved. This is a vital step to keep your project schedule accurate and organized. It's all too easy to navigate away and not have your changes saved, so make sure that's sorted. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully changed the due date for your Asana project. Now check your results. You should see the updated dates reflected in the Project Details screen. This will help keep everyone on the same page and your project on track. If you follow these steps, managing deadlines in Asana can be a seamless process. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy project managing.